Boris. You are having school detention for 1 hour. Stay there for 1 hour. And talking Ben the freaking idiot dog. You are going to Miss Green's office. Absolutely not. I will not stay in this detention for 1 hour. And Ben will not go to Miss Green's office. According to the school. The other students are having science with Jessica. Now stay there, Boris. Go to Miss Green's office right now, talking Ben. Never. We will play a game, it's called. Boris. Stop talking right now. Hey! You didn't let me finish. Now let me finish. Like I was saying, we will play a game, it's called hide and seek. You have to count to 20, and when I'm hiding, try to find me and Ben. Boris. Hide and seek is a boring game. How about Angry Teachers? Mr. Hernandez. Angry Teachers is a ripoff to Angry Birds. Which that sucks. Hide and seek is way better.
After when Mr. Hernandez argued with Boris and Ben, what happens next?
I'm now Boris the teeth guy. Now face my teeth. Face it. GRR.
We interrupt this program because Boris the teeth guy and talking Ben the teeth dog has killed Mr. Hernandez. He was rushed to the hospital in order to get Mr. Hernandez to come back to life in Plotagon City.
Oh my god, an EAS alert showed up when I was watching the alphabet sad day. Oh well, this won't happen again.
I know, that emergency alert system scared me.
No we don't. Wah 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 wah. Fiddlesticks, we may be the alphabet, but us letters, we just heard an emergency alert system that much. Stop right there, criminal scums. Whoa whoa, what do you want for us? I arrested Boris the teeth guy and talking Ben the teeth dog. Want to know why? Because they killed Mr. Hernandez. I also heard an emergency alert system on the radio too. Have a great day.
Wow, Lizzie, isn't it fun to drive a car?
Yes, Samir.
Oh, no! We are going to crash into the police car. Hey!
What the? I crashed into another car.
We interrupt this program because there was a car crash on northbound grounded trail, or called Trans-Plotagon Highway number 17. The car passes the railroad crossing, then Samiro pulled the brakes before the car crashes into a police car. Plotagon City will return the cars and ground the trail will be closed. Have a great day.
That's it. I'm done.